What's up guys, it's Aiden from Aiden's U-Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Sony WH-1000XM5s. I just picked these up from Best Buy the other day and they retail for $100 off. So we're going to check these out and unbox them. If you guys want to check these out, there are links in the description for US and Canada. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so these are the Sony WH-1000XM5s, and you can see we have a little bit of information here on the top. It has high-res audio. It also has 360 reality audio, which is like Sony's version of Apple's spatial audio. 30 hours of battery life, which is really good for headphones and is 10 hours longer than the AirPods Max. It has industry-leading noise canceling, and we obviously got the other stuff up here. Made for iPhone, has Alexa built in, and it has OK Google. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. So you can see down here we have an open tab, so we're just going to pull on that. A little bit hard to open. And just looks like a little cover for it, so we're going to put that to the side. And you can see right here immediately, this has like kind of like a cardboard feel to it. I read on the package that this is actually like super sustainable, and you can see the little bits as it is recycled cardboard. And you can see right here a 1000X series. So these are Sony's higher end series of headphones and other audio devices. So we're going to lift up the top now. And there we go. So this is the insert. So we're going to put that to the side. And yeah, so it looks like we got like a nice carrying case here. We can take this out. There's another insert here for it. All right, so this is the case that comes with them, and you can see we have a little thing on the top which is attached to this. We're going to just remove this and set the headphones to the side for a sec. So we got a little QR code here, which is presumably to install the app, which just allows for more precise control over headphone settings such as noise canceling, EQ, and more. So we can just quickly open this up. So it looks like it has in here is a little card so we can access Sony's 360 reality audio. I might try this out. It looks like it comes with a free trial, so it's a little bit different than how Apple's spatial audio works. So we can set that to the side. And then we just got some other instructions, just don't put it in the rain. And then just some more documentation and everything. And we can set this to the side. Alright, so we're now onto the headphones itself, and this is actually a pretty nice carrying case. It's made out of a nice fabric material. And it got like a nice gold Sony zipper thing. So we can open this up. And here we go. And these are the headphones itself. So we're going to take it out right here. Alright, and we can put the case over to the side. And these are the headphones right here. So they look like they're pretty good. They're very light, which is definitely nice for extended periods of time of wearing the headphones, such as on a plane or other travel, or even when you're just sitting down working on a long project. It's really nice to have a light design. So yeah, so you can see here. So this is actually a massive touchpad that you can use for controlling different things, and we'll look into that in a minute. And it has a nice fabric along the top, and this is actually made out of leather right here, so it's super cushiony and soft, which is really nice. And you have these nice extending things to change sizes. And yeah, so we got some settings right here to turn it on, as well as the button to turn on noise canceling or Sony's ambient technology. So this has 8 microphones, which are used for noise canceling and also used for the transparency mode. And then when we go down to the bottom here, you can see both a USB Type-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really nice as wireless quality is pretty good, but also using the lossless audio that you can use through the headphone jack is also super nice. And for instances where the device you're using doesn't support wireless. And yeah, overall the build quality and the look of the headphones are super nice and definitely a step up from the XM4s, and they have a nice look that's comparable to the AirPods Max. Just looking back at the case over here, you can see when we open it up, there's obviously the place for the headphones, but it also comes with a nice magnetic storage bin, which holds the USB Type-C cable, which this isn't like a hugely high quality cable, but because it is USB-C, you can really use it with anything. So many devices today, even the latest iPhones use a USB-C, so it's not like it's a proprietary thing, so we can just put that to the side. And it's super nice that they include one of these 3.5mm cables. Now we're going to get these charged up, and then we're going to pair them with the phone. Alright, so I'm actually recording with my phone, so we're just going to set it up with another phone I have. So this is the Sony Headphones Connect app, which you can use with your WH-1000XM5s as well as other Sony products. And this is actually optional. You can just set up the headphones by holding the power button until it goes into pairing mode, but these give you more precise control over your EQ and other sound and connection settings. So we're going to install it. Alright, with the Headphones Connect app installed, we're going to see, and it says welcome, and we just have to select our country and region. We're going to click start and click agree and proceed. I'm going to turn off the data collection, and we're going to activate Bluetooth so it can access the headphones through the app. And there you go, you can see register new headphone. It already recognized it in the pair and color, which is kind of cool. So we're going to click tap to register, and we can set up with a sign in, so it has some extra features. So we're going to set that up, not right now, but in this video we're just going to click later, and we're going to click next. So you can see this is actually one of the cool features, but this is ambient sound control based on action. So the app can actually detect your actions, such as location and everything. And there's also other features that can track like your most popular songs you're playing, the time you're playing them, and it says earn various badges by listening to music and using various functions. So you can also see here Sony's 360 reality audio setup. So this is very similar to Apple's spatial audio, but it relies on Sony's service, and you can actually use spatial audio with these headphones. You're in Apple Music and you have Dolby Atmos selected, it will play just like normal spatial audio would, minus the head tracking. But we're going to click next, and it says setup is complete. So we're going to go to the dashboard, and there you go. So this is our full kind of user interface right here, and then this is kind of your play head, so you can actually just change the volume of the song that you're playing. Next, over here in sound, we have some more features, so you can adjust the EQ the way you want it to be. So some people like a different type of EQ, and if you click the cog right here, you have more expanded settings to kind of change the EQ to the way you like it. So you can increase the bass down here or change the treble and a bunch of other stuff, but we're going to close this for now. You can also see speak to chat. Now this is a really nice feature if you're having a conversation with someone. If you start talking and the headphones detect it, it will automatically enable transparency mode temporarily and kind of let you hear what they're saying, and you can speak and hear yourself. So you can also see, if we go down here, this is a new feature that's in beta called Find Your Equalizer. We're not going to set it up here, but this allows you to kind of choose through a bunch of different sounds, and you can decide what sounds the best for you, and it will create a custom preset based on what you like. And up at the very top, you can see you can switch between your off, which is just normal, your ambient sound, which actually makes the beamforming microphones play what's around you, and you can change how loud the ambient sound is, as well as turn on voice pass-through, which means that only people talking will play through. And then full-on noise canceling. The Sony WH-1000XM5s are one of the best noise canceling headphones in its class. So noise canceling is super nice when you're trying to block out low frequency sounds. And you can see at the top, this is kind of our dashboard. So you can see the battery level, which is at 63%. The codec we're using, which is AAC, which is for iPhones, but on Androids you can use LDAC, which is a little bit higher quality. And if we go over to system here, this just gives you a little bit more control. So here you can see connect two devices simultaneously. That allows you to use Apple-like features where I could have it connect to my MacBook and phone, and I can seamlessly switch between the two, which is a super nice feature. As well as voice assistant, you can set this up for Alexa or other features, but I just am going to have it set to Siri because that's what's connected. So this is a really nice app for these headphones. They give you a lot of precise controls with the EQ, which I am a huge fan of, and I've actually used these, and I've been testing these out for a few days, and I've actually found them super nice. And being able to customize the EQ is really nice when you're changing between different genres of music, as well as the active noise canceling is a really nice feature. And yeah guys, that is my full unboxing and setup of the Sony WH-1000XM5s, and I've tested them out for a little while, and they seem like an all-around great headphone, and on sale they're an even better value. So if you guys are interested in some nice noise cancelling headphones, I'll leave the link in the description. And once again guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these tech videos, make sure to subscribe and maybe even drop a like. And that's it, thanks for watching.